The table above lists the lengths to the nearest inch of a random sample of 21 brown bullhead fish. The outlier measurement of 24 inches is an error. Of mean, median, and range of the values listed, which will change the most if 24-inch measurement is removed from the data? So 3 things are being talked about here. We have mean, median, and range. Right off the bat, I'll go ahead and tell you, outliers affect the range the most. But to prove this, technically we already know the answer is C based on that fact. But to prove this, let's actually find the mean, median, and range of this. So remember, mean is basically adding all the numbers together and dividing by how many you have. It's just a fancy term for average. So if you just do quick math here and add all of these numbers together, you will find that they add up to 262. We're going to divide this by 12, actually 21. There are 21 bullhead fish. Gives us 12.476-ish. So the average, also known as mean, is 12.476. Now, for the median, we want the number in the middle, but first, arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Thankfully, that's already been done for us in this question. So we can actually start canceling them out like this. First number here cancels out the last number here. So 9 will cancel out 16. This 9 cancel out the 15. 9 will cancel out this 15. This 10 cancel out this one. This 10 cancel out this one. This 11 cancel out this one. This 11 cancel out the 13. 12 cancel out the 12. So all these are 12. So we know that the median is the number in the middle, and that's 12. So the mean was 12.476. The median is 12, and the range is simply found by taking the largest number minus the smallest number. Well, the largest number is 24. Subtract the smallest number, which is 8. So the largest number is 24, take away 8. This is the original range. Well, you still have the 24 in the data. So 24 take away 8 would be 16. But then if you remove the 24 from the data, you will then have 16 minus 8, and that means the new range is actually going to be 8. So the number that's affected the most is the range. So if you recalculate the median, it would still be 12 because we had 3 numbers in the middle. It would still be one of those 3, so it's still 12. So this median would not change. The average would change only so slightly, and we can prove this by saying, hey, we had 262 with all the numbers. We can subtract 24 from 262 because we're removing the 24 from that data, and you would have 238. And then because you remove the 24, you have one number less. So you divide this by 20, and you would have 11.9. So you see this was 11.9 after removing the data point. So from 12.46 to 11.9, that's not a big change. And then the median didn't change. It was 12 and 12. And then the last thing that we see here is the range used to be 16, but now once you remove the 24, it is 8. That's the biggest change. So C would be it.